What's up, guys? It's Rick with Crown Rick Auto Extras. And guess what happened? Some tweaker came and stole the converters out of this car. Let me show you. Look at that. This place is gated. I'm thinking they probably came from over here. So there's just like a little river over here. Sometimes you see homeless people camping out right over there. I'm thinking this is probably how they accessed in here. Good thing they only removed the one. Looks like security funny man wasn't doing his job. He didn't stop these criminals. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the car and you're gonna hear what a Crown Vic, what a 2005 Crown Vic sounds like without a catalyst converter.
Stay open or closed?
You'll open it. It's all good. Look at that, man. This is the Tweeker mobile. The X. This is our de-tweaking process. De-tweak mode on. Operation de-tweak. How cool is that? Check out the rims. Remember those crappy rims that were on there? Look at them now. They look brand spanking new. Look at this. This car is almost unrecognizable. Look at that. Cleaner flooring. Nice. All thanks to Drama Task Force Industries. Came out here, hooked it up.